Hello everyone, this is Tata Subramanian, and today I'm going to talk about a Tamil movie called as Aranya Kandam. Forgive me if I have pronounced the name incorrectly. So this movie, which stars Jackie Shroff, Yasmin Ponnappa, and Sampath Raj, to name a few characters, and it is the first Tamil neo noir film. So, what do you mean by a neo noir film? So, let's first address what is a noir film. So, a noir film is nothing but a movie which is based on crime drama, where the character motivations are cynical, which means that they basically cheat on each other or will do double crosses, and the entire theme of the movie will be negative. So that is the noir film, which got termed from the 1940s and 1950s of the Hollywood films. And anything prior to that would be referred to as the neo noir. So neo noir is nothing but the callback to those noir films, where you get references to those kind of themes. So coming back to this movie, Aranya Kandam. So this movie is the Tamil's first neo noir film, and it is also the directorial debut of Tyagarajan Kumar Raja. So I'm sure you must have watched his other movies of late also. In case you didn't, I would strongly recommend to Google for this director. So now coming back to this movie, why I like this movie. This movie has been a very different style of filmmaking which I have observed, and the storyline is very different from what I have seen in commercial movies. So that was one thing, and the second was the character development. So each of the characters that the movie had shown them in lot of depth. So we could see different shades of the character throughout the movie, and we could also see how their motivations also change as the story progresses. So this aspect I really liked a lot, and some of the interesting facts now I would like to tell about this movie. The first fact is, of course, this goes without saying that this is the directorial debut of Tyagarajan Kumar Raja, and it is also the debut of Jackie Shroff. Even though he had acted in a lot of Bollywood movies, but this was his first Tamil movie, and the movie got into a lot of censor troubles and had got 52 cuts before it got released to the mainstream audience. So that was another interesting fact. And actually, the director had planned for two endings. I mean, they had two endings in their mind, but they stick with the original one. So that is another interesting fact. Now, why you should watch this movie? So, in my opinion, if you have never watched a neo noir movie before, then this movie would be certainly a good starting point to watch. And the second point is, if you don't want to watch a commercial movie for now, and you want to have a different style and flavor of filmmaking, then definitely you should watch this movie. And the third thing is, if you really want to understand how complex the characterization can go, so then this movie is a very good example of that how the plots are interwoven, and how different characters pan out. And last but not the least, definitely the background music is splendid, which complements the fast-paced storyline. So definitely worth watching for, if you want to consider all these aspects. And finally, one other interesting aspect, which is related to the title of the movie itself. So the title Aranya Kandam is derived from the epic Ramayana, and which, if you translate into English, refers to as jungle chapter. So this movie actually shows about, in a jungle there are different animals. Different animals have different motivations, and how the jungle plays out in a typical day. That is what this movie describes about, if I want to tell you very loosely. If you are very curious, definitely you should watch this movie, and I would love to know what are your comments, what are your views on this. And yeah, so that's it. So I hope you'll watch this movie. This is available in YouTube as well, with English subtitles in case you don't understand Tamil, and you can find it in other platforms as well. So this is Tata Subramanian signing off, and I hope you had a good time watching this video, and you may certainly watch this movie in your spare time. Thank you.